Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Live in today's video, guys, we're going to show you how to clean VVT solenoid. Okay, this is the variable valve timing solenoid on a Ford vehicle, guys, and this one will be for Ford Edge. It will be for also for Lincoln MKX, Lincoln MKZ, Ford Flex that uses that 3.5 engine, guys. So you have two VVT solenoids, one here, one on the other side. So we'll show you guys how to clean those things. Now, what happens, you can test them and we'll show you how, but sometimes they will be sticking, they will have something inside that you need to clean, otherwise they will not perform right. So it's very important to clean them the correct way, and we'll show you what we'll be using, otherwise you can damage them. We'll have more than 200 videos on this engine and car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can here at the shop. So what do you guys need to do now? You can see it has two wires. Okay, every solenoid has two wires, but before we clean the actual solenoid on the inside, what we usually do, okay, we use some interphone spray right here. This is amazing stuff, and we clean the top of the solenoid right here where it contacts the gasket. That way you don't have any oil leaks. So we usually do that. This is one of the best sprays, okay, on the market. Check it out in the description of the video below. This thing is amazing, and we clean the gasket there as well, so we can slide in really easy later and we will not have any leaks. Another thing, guys, okay, how we clean on the inside, we get alligator clips, and you need to go ahead and connect one clip per each wire here. Do not touch both clips together because you can burn your solenoid. We're going to use a 12-volt battery now, okay, and that 12-volt battery is going to act like turning it on and off. You can even use a little 9-volt battery to do that. And listen when I touch it, what's going to happen now. Okay, it's going to open the solenoid. So listen now, and you can see how it opens it. However, okay, now guys, okay, I'm going to keep it open, and while we keep it open, we're going to use mass airflow sensor cleaner. This thing is amazing. If it's gentle for the MAF sensor, it's gentle enough for the VVT solenoid. So check it out again in the description of the video below. So what do we do? Okay, we just click, attach the battery, open the solenoid, spray inside really good, clean all the canals. Okay, perfect. After that I'll close it, clean again, then open it again. Do that a few times, guys, and your solenoid will be clean. Now listen how it's going to click too. It's going to be a little bit more of a audible click when it's clean. Okay, I'm trying to focus here, perfect. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please guys subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.